nkɔmɔ na ɛdɛ na ɛnɛ no yɛbɛgye opinion ɛde afra nkɔmɔ yi ɛnra mekyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛkyerɛ nipa bɛnsia because it was 2 versus 4 in this particular discussion I maybe bobo hu nti me pii hɔ no na baako twe me baa mu and I explain it to them bɛɛ mmienu mmiɛnsa bi deɛ na ɔmo yɛ convinced ba baako deɛ na ɔsɛ still as ye defend Kotoko nti ɛnɛ I've seen that discussion still on other social media platforms. I saw it on Facebook. Kotoko ye post na muso bi akɔtwerɛ ase and mom say is also on X. Nti na me sa be kyerɛkyerɛ deɛ me kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ ɔmo no nra no be kyerɛkyerɛ ma kyerɛ. And I want your opinion. So reasons I'm a day bay one me yɛ adwen and I say it's again another attempt to defend Asante Kotoko. The whole conversation was very simple. They inti na blasters bobo baba omunya dom na Kotoko bomba womunya dom. It was nipa na oye argument against Kotoko na say omo ban are football having people. So omo naturally omo pe ball nti na omo ba ha. And unti de inti na omo pe ball. Na fakese na we say be other regions na baba fakese na ye Kotoko chitafo. And they are based in Kumasi. Inti na when it comes to Kotoko Womomba Ebehebo. Now the first reason I'm the momo was that the budget for match day promo or for match promo for Blasters as against the budget for Kotoko when it comes to match promo. I had to say aha any US. Promotion of your game or promotion of any event generate audience. Everybody who is being part of promoting an event in the importance of investing in the promo of the event. And until now, artists be had the whole year be a radio station be close to order. But when now the album be move from one radio station to the other to the other to the other. And found how popular the artists near. You should make use of every media space. Send your very rich out there to the fans, to the neutrals, and to the lovers of music, say, or the Nyoma Banobian Kotie. That is promo. So also no move bebo shows are bet me about bebo show Kumasia. Bet me be Kumasi by 1 week. They will try and go to Fikasium. With Fikasium or movie MT a year move from one station to the other, one station to the other. They will meet influencers, influential people who one way or the other, some of them can add value. Ama tonko footing, ama rich nipa bebre no wabani show. So when it comes to football matches, promotion is very, very important. But the bottom line is promotion is this kind of nam. Kodokoya match day promo with familiarity. Blasters air match day promo with money. Let me break it down for you to understand. I'm in the media space. Kodokoya match day promo ya pay ya asem and ye promo. Because Kotoko need the financial backing. So this cat and the main fuel for the match promo. And oh ye ni mo bed ni afre obed. Charlie ebeba o. And titan ben ni embra ni embeka Kotoko match no asem. No more time. That is what they do. They call the media houses and engage them because they are familiar with them. Doing the nipano, tibia ya from and ye kabe 30 minutes to end my show amumbra. But Blasters they no discan eye. Kotoko de ni enimi ho. Do him kanu when him way, no afre no when him way or free radio station way sa. Sikana tattoo on a book scan tattoo. But Blasters they scat tattoo. The Blasters baba bob match no to say nra. A man to go na mpanimfo aba yes settlement was system. Yes settlement no. TB head of sports for you know betimi afro mu nyina. Bia je ono nko for no je ono nko for no je ono nko for. So even before say Blasters no beba no na nhyehyɛ na start e koso. Esi wo ba bia. So budget that where Ministry of Youth and Sports are buying and authorized budget. Kotoko nankasa ntimi authorized budget because sikana be free match mamba nyini nyina na Kotoko ne dia. The difference between artists o promote ni show Blasters promote ni show ne Kotoko ne say Kotoko no gates can e beba no eyewo ene NSA na eche. So you have to meet NSA and decide an amount. Amumienu meti as say if you te free net the man mu ye okay and ye as expenses Matchday expenses amu ye okay. So only 100% say in the amount I would be you promo. But Blasters they are buying the amount to say J. Nti won call for apart from the media houses. Won be ye hu dedem. Ye won call for am free cry about be de Kumasi be 1 week. Almost all said they are hopping from one radio station to other to promote the game. A buying sikan ye day. Kotoko sikano NSA tias ye be a month year be 1,000 Ghana. There are some matches is even less than that. You are 500 Ghana. Mutre ya be 1,000 Ghana. Maybe the ama communication director no. To ne no di be jingle. And no be odi be ma Kotoko serial callers. Someone free radio so nkasa. And no be odi be ma Kotoko communicators. Someone jeje fanya transportation from media house to media house. Nti central for nankasa de nka ho. Nti central ni no ba say onya familiar with you no mpe wa asem a e ka be 10 minutes no be wie ni show ano pa kwan mo akasa. But Blasters de na nam say bia ye di kan hye wafunu mu ma no, which is part of the work. Frama na o ton no. That ono so ni sika no. So the media houses charges and they are being paid. There are some media houses who pay at commercial rate. No more the button gone. But you team come on the part. The budget so promo budget Blasters promo budget can work around 10,000, 15,000. This is World Cup qualifiers here boy. You won't go for a better hotel from Sunday, from the GFA and from the ministry. Yo nipa say GFA ne be from ebe so to omo yo mo ministry ne be from ebe so to omo enti bibia mu na kire yedin tu tisem kofon kon tintin kom wo Blasters ho a omo nye the same for Kotoko because wo no abomu so enti wa don so be so. So just from the promo point you don't expect the same number of audience. The second thing, and I'm trying to explain it to you as an insider, say the sense of belonging associated with the Blasters and yet the same sense of belonging associated with Kotoko. Blasters match dura obia hu ni say your mind na enya ade aye koye, and that is why you get parliamentarians, you get politicians, you get police, everybody twitching. MPC to ticket we mu to because a national agenda. In Kotoko Africa, you get that national agenda, no? Especially the Asante agenda, because you can't so Kotoko Jina Ghana, I know a competition, but Kotoko Liga and yet national agenda. Blasters about World Cup qualify a national agenda. Into MPC to ticket check, so that sense of belonging. And you're mining the general sense of belonging, and you know be na Kotoko diem. Kotoko diem ni pekuo kitu be na associated. Blasters there's that sense of belonging. It's the second point. To be able to Blasters about the Ghana for you nyina nya yankɔ and say ni pa ne nyom nyina ne Kotoko bo mu say ye nyina nya ntia mbɛhwɛ. So I asked that person, I know my argument. Misa ba say mu nyina me Kotoko msi o there bi me nu a house for. I was like, fine. So into a house near, will you go crazy about a Kotoko game? Or say no. Or say be at that time so to TV home she house ball. I'm say yes. So that should explain it to you. Nipa do say na be free sunyane abehe Blasters ball Kumasi. And nipa do say na be free sunyane abehe Kotoko ball Kumasi. So it is not something you should even start the comparison. The third most important thing, people go to event because of the names present. And then so also a musical concert. Oti. Nase Shateba, Sakeba, Sakodeba, Stoneboyba. Ewo nipa sa din ewo show no so na betwea. No disrespect to any artist, but we know the levels. At the same time, I also ubo show. Na ebi e Kofi Kinata. Utie. YP. ɔsɛ kurom sikani a wontumi mfa show a star akɔdeɛ Stone Boys Atawale air performing and compare Kofi Kenata ɔsɛ kurom sikani ne YP. You can't do that. Sɛ that the number kwadwa nkyini a machi dede bo show a Kofi nti enim nwom to pa KK Fosu enim nwom to pa. What do I say? Dada KD, I like that guy so much. Onim nwom to pa. But so parody Kofi nti KK Fosu Dada KD. That was one side. Now be parody kwadwa nchi amachi dede that number on one side. Bisa on say nipa dodo sign and never both shows. The stars are mobile blasters match. You cannot compare Kotoko match to them. Your players a man for putting say when team go stadium acquire blasters ball. A man for boku this thing. A man for boy in. These are people who've been watching them from a distance. Into some more bar. The one is a cassia for na backroom. Pacho Utipa, Ali decided to board the French league. If party Bobby, we were watching party at Arsenal. Inti when we are stars, our mobile amanone, and no mobile as a budget about town. A busium, so would to commerce now crew. No be free US eba ukruma. Ni padodo eboboshi akodi o free US buy and you be never be share wa muti kumasi awaba. So the stars, Kotoko no stars near him, Black Stars the stars near him. Don't start the comparison. Because stars never Black Stars man. Eche don beshe. And your side players never been a good Kotoko ebe chill be say, Mami jai de mi yen na unkwashe omo. We're talking about Inaki, Antoine Semenyo, Jordan Ayew, bought Crystal Palace. Inaki bought in the Spanish La Liga. Semenyo is playing in the English Premier League. People are watching them from a distance. Now they are getting closer to you. You want to go and meet them. You are talking about Kudus. You are talking about Salis, Papa Idrusu. Even now, man for complaints at blasters, players Kakesiano they still have stars or some in US Kotoko stars in Ghana. You are talking about Lamte. Well, for crying out loud, you cannot compare the global appeal of these Black Stars players to the Kotoko players. So definitely, Nipe Beko Black Stars there, and you know the Beko Kotoko there. Mama, 3 factors. Again, the 4th factor, which is very, very important, the availability and how often the Black Stars game as against how often the Kotoko matches. Let me tell you this. Go and study Kotoko matches on mobile. Match day 1, Nipe Eko Stadium. Never compare the subsequent matches, especially when the results is not going on well. Black Stars matches are fit, maybe a mabo 9 per Ghana. I call any man bros wa enumsia maximum 6. And to say na crumble bonoman boni here. With time after about 2 months or mess back, never phone up from. Never phone up from back almost every weekend they are playing. Until last week, I'm boy na obu fuomwa. The flow you come up oboma anya de obu asan fuom nipa number. It's a Kotoko the season niko break. Na Kotoko ye pre-season wo baby a. Omo first match omo bo home no. Eya nipa tai kopa. Reason being that amount for victim no. Oma ti omo come from a distance. Oma fi omo to omo kosho omo. But omo bot to aso pe. You realize that attendance next started a drop it. Because we beat me so man we cry next week. But Blasters no one we are. You don't even know when you better the Kumasi game. Because some meet me by Accra, Tamale, Cape Coast, and the Kumasi, they rotate them into a mobile zone more. Only a hope prepare no because they are not always available. Kotoko available almost every week. Last week na Kotoko boss amateurs, this week or Bobo Mobile. Enti I said ade na be wo bebrea epuo ni di ade ma ade na ye wo fom as compared to ade a hunu we chiri a eben. So Black Stars matches are not often played. Kotoko matches are available every time. It is a factor that would influence. Because Black Stars, they do I had to say Christmas. I was telling them yesterday, say, if Christmas every weekend and every month to be the first Sunday Christmas, the value of Christmas can be from. But then I'm saying Christmas at the end of the year, once a year, about once per night, people cherish it. It be true, people. But imagine if Christmas was every weekend. The value of Christmas be from. But Christmas in the much any day be that is similar with the Black Stars. And time see and time back into a bape ubia bush yako hebi. That got the end there. I'm about tonight. Within this month, I'm meeting about 5 matches. I'm in Hebi. There's one thing that is also important. The performance of Kotoko is not the best. Tinka Kotoko more than one way in pa maybe a chum. Kotoko set 3. Sunday be set 3. The flu week or set 4. And then the incumbent in your match. Black Stars attendance no. But say more than one so yet. And a debia also who stars in budget na mo financial budget so a former ebe convincing comfort ebe chin comfort so form. How do you get the people compared to the Black Stars? So it's a comparison we should not even start. The same thing implies to the Shatawale Boshua with me failure across Sports Stadium. Kotoko Stoneboy Boshua with me failure across Sports Stadium. They house na Kotoko intimi failure. These examples and factors are them a cut across the musical shows no so because how many times na Shatawale shows were across Sports Stadium? Budget send a Shatawale any show or across Sports Stadium. How many times na man for who Shatawale? Lastly, I've talked about the performance of Kotoko. The performance but the competition are also born local league. When Black Stars a international break, Man U bought the same time, and Chelsea bought the same time. Black Stars that day and Ghana Premier League. So football society no all attention on the Black Stars game, both foreign and international. So Black Stars anytime be a national assignment there will be an international break. But recently Kotoko's game against Dreams, I think that was the day. There was a big match nearby with the Chelsea. One of these matches are not a bonny contender. Kotoko against Bechim, there was another big match at that same time. So the attention is divided. Black Stars match, attention is divided. So let's not start the comparison. Yes, a Juma or Kotoko has year, they can get the numbers. It might not be exactly like the Black Stars, but it will be closer to that. Enyen to kuruntukuru nenye say Okotana Stadium now why say what kind of bit me a kind. It won't be that kind of attendance. But it is also unfair to even start a comparison between the attendance of Black Stars, the attendance of Shatawale shows, attendance of Stoneboy shows at the Accra Sports Stadium and Babara Sports Stadium to Asante Kotoko and Hard to Folk at their respective stadiums. No. And you're unfair because of these factors that I'm giving you. That's what I'm saying. You can drop your comment whether you believe in what the American OGD said, the American essay, sanity. But these are the factors are me being part of the system. No, meaning say what an effect. One major one here, a performance. Because if Kotoko is playing the CAF Champions League, that is where the sense of belonging never. Oh, Kotoko representing Ghana and enter TMP's photo ticket and him photo ticket. Assemblyman photo tickets. There's that sense of belonging. They are representing Ghana. But if you are playing in the league, you are not representing Ghana, you are representing your supporters. So if you disagree with me, you can drop your points and drop your comments. Thank you very much.